We are not going to do a typical unboxing, and I apologize, it is very hot in Georgia today, but I wanted to show you something. Here are my original lights, and I want to be careful, they're glass, okay? I've broken a few of these already. There's a couple lights that are missing on this, but what's different about this set that we've got here, outdoor light strand by JACKYLED, or JACKYLED, or JACKYLED. Really cool set of lights. I want to show you these. Let's go ahead and get these out of the box. There are this light set, and these guys are big compared to those. There is a stake. Oh yeah, okay, so if you decide that you're gonna run these outside, you can stake this for this panel here. We can hard mount this. I'm gonna do that here in a little bit, but for right now, since there's no sun here, I'm just gonna set that over closest to the lights. You do get an extra bulb, and I can do it with this. Let me show you this. It's plastic. This is not gonna break. I mean, you could squeeze it. They're not gonna break. I really like this. And this is an LED strip that's tied into here. This is really nice looking. I like how this is set up with these. You also got some zip ties. I actually need these because my previous lights were held on by zip ties. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna set this off to the side. I'm gonna show you, we have, because I will mount this, but we do have a fewer set of light bulbs. There's just fewer than these, but they're larger and they're spaced pretty well. We're just gonna go ahead and give these a good shot and put these on. Let's go at it. Gosh, I hope these will even fit. Okay, we're over this side of the house now. So what I want to do is basically start off with enough room for that to get enough sun. Now I want to start with my first bulb. The question is, should I zip tie it to that frame? Let's do that for now. Let's just see how that goes. Okay, so with the solar panel mounted right here, this is where I'm gonna get most of my sun, because the sun comes up from over here and goes that way. So I'll be able to get most of my sun right over here. And while we're at it, we also have the capability of charging. So let's see what turns these on. So these are on, they're ready to go. We will wait for the sun to go down and we'll take a look at them. Well, it's just after 8:30 p.m. And as you can see here, the lights are now glowing. Now, I'm gonna show you as it stands right now with this steady glow of these LED lights. Quite beautiful. They go very well with this deck, providing just enough light to give you this good ambiance out here while you're having dinner, talking with friends, whatever it is that you want to do. Beautiful sets of lights. Now let's go ahead and give you a couple scenarios in which this light will function. As you can see here, we have a flashing mode. This is obviously more not related to ambiance, but maybe as wrapped around a sign to say, hey, come here. Even more flashing and flickering, then kind of a firefly style mode here. And of course, last but not least, the soft glow of the LED lights. And again, this is only a 27-foot section, and currently it fits this very large deck that we're on right now and looks very, very beautiful as it stands. All right, well, I hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time, and I'm out.